saltine bucket. I have to move my van into the sun, and there's balloons. Those are more balloons than I saw the entire time the balloon festival was happening, pretty much, because it rained the whole time. Okay, I wonder if that's one of my friends, those rainbow riders. My friend Greg. I'll send him a picture. Yeah, so my friend was a marine fighter pilot for like 24 years, and now he's a hot air balloon pilot. That's so funny. They're just going to land on the freeway. That's crazy. All right, one of those balloons is pretty low. It might end up landing here in the parking lot. That would be pretty funny. This space right here. Yeah, he's going really low. Yeah, my friend Greg actually clipped a stop sign at one point. I was like, oh, there's more. They're like way over. When I was in Phoenix, no, Tucson, that's right. When I was in Phoenix, we went over the desert. Here they're just going over the city. But yeah, they're gonna have to land somewhere, and then they've got their, oh, there's three, there's another one. Oh, they're taking off. There's 3 balloons. Yeah, I don't know if I think it's rainbow riders. They look like they're rainbow riders. But yeah, they're like the main balloon company, but they're going, okay, now that guy's going up. Yeah, these guys are coming over the freeway. They're probably about 1,500 feet up. They're a lot higher up than they look. Those balloons are massive. But yeah, there's probably about 10 or 15 people in each one. I went on the hot air balloon for my birthday last year in Phoenix with rainbow riders, which are also out here. And yeah, I mean, we were way over the desert, and we just kind of went by the wind shear. You have to go where the wind is, but it's a perfect day, and it's cold. It's only 46 degrees. Yeah, it'll be funny if it lands here. I have to see if there's like a little white van that shows up with 6 guys in hoodies coming out to pick up the thing. All right, I'm gonna go get some breakfast while I hopefully don't get hit by the balloon. Oh, it's so funny. So we come right over. This is fun. I love Albuquerque. Oh, I love it. Oh, there's so many balloons. I love it. Oh, there's another one coming up. There's so many of them. Oh, I love Albuquerque. Look at this. It's going to hit the Cracker Barrel sign. Oh, they're landing. He dropped something. Oh, they're landing. Oh my God. They're landing right next to me. That's so cool. I was wondering if they were going to land here. That's so cool. Oh, they're going in the ditch. Oh, up they go. Really cool. Yeah, my friend.
It's a day late, but it was my birthday.
Oh, it was? Happy birthday. I did this for my birthday last year in Phoenix with Rainbow Riders. Yeah. My friend's a pilot for them. It's really fun. It just, they have the people chasing them to get, yeah, so you just kind of have them follow you, and wherever you land, you land. There's a whole bunch of them over there too.
That's so cool. There's another one over there.
Oh, there's yeah, they're all going up this morning, yeah.
Yeah.
That's really cool.
I'm really amazed. I'm sitting right here where it's happening.
I know, I just woke up in my camper van this morning, right here.
Oh, I did too. I went, oh my God, and I started taking pictures, and then I realized they're landing.
That's so funny. I figured they were going to land here, either in the parking lot or over there. Super cool. That's really fun. Everyone loves balloons. Okay. I just wake up to a hot air balloon like right next to you. Okay. Let me go back. My tea's being made. I don't want to burn the van down. Okay.